The proposed Karnataka Bandh on August 13th over the Kaveri water dispute has been called off after an all-party meeting in Bengaluru unanimously backed the state government's stand. The decision came after Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar appealed to pro-Kannada organizations to withdraw the protest, assuring them that Karnataka's interests would be protected. The meeting saw a rare show of unity with both the ruling Congress and the opposition BJP supporting the government's approach. Shivkumar said there was no need for a bandh as the state would continue to fight the Kaveri issue through legal and constitutional means while giving top priority to drinking water. The bandh had been announced after the Kaveri Water Management Authority upheld the CWRC's direction asking Karnataka to release 3,500 cassets of Kaveri water to Tamil Nadu for 15 days. A key outcome of the meeting was the broad political consensus on the Mekedatu Balancing Reservoir project. Calling it the permanent solution to the Kaveri dispute, Shivkumar said Karnataka should move ahead with the project in view of the Supreme Court's judgment and the centre's stand. He maintained that the project would benefit both states and claims that nearly 90% of its benefits would ultimately reach Tamil Nadu. The proposed reservoir at the confluence of the Kaveri and Arkhavati rivers in Ramanagara district has long been opposed by Tamil Nadu, which fears it will affect farmers in the Kaveri Delta. Karnataka, however, says the project is crucial to meet Bengaluru's drinking water needs. Supporting the project, former Chief Minister and BJP MP Pusparaj Bommai said the centre had clearly indicated it had no objection to the dam. Union Minister V. Somanna said the proposal had received conditional approval subject to changes in the detailed project report and urged both states to arrive at a consensus on drinking water allocation. Shivkumar also revealed that Tamil Nadu Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay had agreed to postpone his proposed August 3rd visit to Bengaluru following Karnataka's request amid the prevailing tension.
There was a very serious meeting. Lot of issues were discussed. Especially we have warned the government that they should not rest on the temporary relief by the nature which has been given. And the entire year water management is important. More so to secure the drinking water of Mandya, Mysore villages as well as Bangalore city. And Bangalore is ever expanding, the demand is more. So in the summer, there will be a crisis, so they should take extra precaution regarding the drinking water. And secondly, they have to take care of the standing crops in Kaveri Delta. Tamil Nadu is asking for their crops. We are asking for the drinking water. Therefore, our standing crop also should be secured, and that is the duty of the government. Secondly, we have said that the distress formula which is there, which is not in the realistic term, it is only a pro rata system that has to be re-looked into. And the third one is the Mekedatu. Government of India has been very positive about that. Even CM has agreed that first time central government has come out with categorically their opinion and it has helped us a lot. Therefore, we are with him in case of Mekedatu. But water management, they have failed. Both in the entire Karnataka, northern Karnataka, also in south Karnataka. And now they have to take precaution. Otherwise, during summer, there will be severe drinking water, and CWMA meets once in a month. And there are directions during January, February also. So they should take care of it. And the more important, DMK has filed a petition in the Supreme Court, and they have to answer it in a very apt way. And we ask them, the legal team, to take care of it and see that there is no damage, further damage done to the interest of the Karnataka. That is their problem. We are not interested in the internal politics. We are not doing.
No, they are saying this
we are.
Karnataka.
No, I am telling you, we are not interested in the internal politics. We are not doing. We want to secure our interest, our drinking water interest, and our farmers' interest. We are not bothered what's happening in Tamil Nadu politics. That is their problem. And we are not here on the dictate of any political party. We are here to all parties in Karnataka are united to fight the drought situation in the state as well as in Kaveri Delta. That's why the situation has arisen. And we have hardly got any water for drinking water. and they are asking for the crop. This is a problem whenever there is a shortfall of rainfall. This issue is there. Therefore, they should not find any political reason. Whenever there is shortfall, this issue has come. And when the shortfall has come for last so many years, when the Tamil Nadu government, the present Tamil Nadu government party was not there. So it is not the right thing. Anyhow, it is their problem.
मीटिंग आज ही कावेरी का वाले पार्टी मीटिंग था। मीटिंग में एक ही विषय है हमारे लिए जून तक, नेक्स्ट जून तक 27 जून तक 40 टीएमसी पानी चाहिए पीने के लिए। पीने के लिए पानी रखना, 40 टीएमसी रखना, उसके आधार पर हम निर्णय लेना। क्योंकि ये साल बारिश कम है, बारिश की वजह से आगे आने वाले दिन में फोरकास्ट क्या है बारिश का, कर्नाटक को कितना बारिश होगा और तमिलनाडु को कितना होगा, उसका आधार पर हम निर्णय ले रहे हैं। क्योंकि एक बार पानी छोड़ दिया तो नीचे से ऊपर पानी नहीं आता है। हमारे डैम में पानी है तो हम कभी भी छोड़ सकते हैं। इसका आधार पर निर्णय लेने के लिए हम मीटिंग में बताए हैं। जरूर इसका आधार पर ही हम सोचना है। एंड अभी मेकेदाटू का विषय में केंद्र सरकार पार्लियामेंट में क्वेश्चन में हमको ग्रीन सिग्नल दिया है। तुरंत ही मेकेदाटू योजना को भी आने वाले दिन में तुरंत ही उसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए, उसी में भी पानी भरा तो हम नीचे दे सकते हैं। इसका आधार पर तुरंत ही इसका काम चालू करने के लिए भी हम मीटिंग में बोले।
क्या सीएम से बात करने की जरूरत है? के बारे में हुई थी
उनसे बात करने की मुख्यमंत्री डीएमके एडीएम के समय हम हर बार झगड़ करते थे। अभी पहली बार एक नया मुख्यमंत्री आए हैं एंड कांग्रेस के साथ जुड़े भी हैं। इसका कारण जरूर डीएम विजय के साथ, सीएम के साथ, तमिलनाडु का मुख्यमंत्री के साथ बातचीत करना, आने वाले दिन में साथ मिलके हम इसको एक निर्णय ले सकते हैं, हम सुलझा भी सकते हैं। बातचीत करना अच्छा है।
The Honorable Chief Minister Shri D.K. Shivkumar called for a meeting today regarding the issues of water that we are facing because of the shortage of rainfall. But due to the blessings of our goddess Chamundeshwari, we have abundant rain in the last few days, and that has allowed some amount of water to be filled in the dams, and at least temporarily there is some sort of a solution in the short term at least. But for us, the issue is always in the long term. We need permanent solutions for this water dispute, the interstate water disputes, I mean across the board, but most I think importantly the Kaveri issue has dragged on for now over a couple of centuries. If you want, you can drag it to nearly 300-400 years, but at least in modern times it has dragged on for more than a century, and it has nothing but caused continually distress and unnecessary I would say pressure put on our authorities and the legal system to deliver verdicts where I think a permanent solution can be reached for in the modern times. So this is what we have expressed to the Chief Minister. We need a different approach, perhaps in the way we view the resource itself, because we use it as a volumetric resource right now. Perhaps looking at it as a time-sensitive agricultural input would help us in essentially allowing for the water to be used in a more effective and sustainable manner.
Mekedatu is another issue. Did you any discussion?
The Mekedatu is an ongoing matter. Already the Supreme Court has given its very clear order saying that there is no permission required from Tamil Nadu, but it obviously requires several processes to be complete and several DPRs etc. to be done as per the process. This is a matter of process simply. Those have to be done, taking into account the various measures, mitigation, environmental mitigation measures, etc. All of which the state government has to move forward. We are always ready at the center. We have all our elders have expressed already. Water, land, all these issues, we are always together. Certainly possible, and maybe even the center can be there. There is certainly benefit to be had from discussion, no doubt about it. But the tribunal has gone on since 1991, around that time when it was started, and finally dissolved in 2018. The result of all of that has been the Kaveri Management, the regulatory authority and the management authority. Both of which, one is to collect data and the other is to implement according to that data. So end of the day, you have to go back there. So I would say the system that is here now, because in other cases another tribunal has come in and elongated the matter. I would say currently, I think sitting with the apparatus and the legal framework allowed to us, sitting in that framework and solving the matter is beneficial because it will give an immediate solution as well as a, I think, long-term solution to the matter.
Here's my straight question. Do you think Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Mr. Vijay should come to Karnataka? And because right now,
I think certainly it will send a good message that we are working and we are moving towards a very beneficial goal for both states. We have maintained this isn't a competition for who gets more water or a one-upmanship. We want Tamil Nadu to grow and we want Karnataka to grow as well, and we want everybody to be benefited. And there is a mutually beneficial solution undoubtedly to be had if we are to sit across the board within the existing legal framework that has been a result of the tribunal and the current existing regulatory authority and the management authority that is there.
Moving forward, we require 40 TMC of water for drinking purpose only. So keeping this in mind, state government has to give more emphasis on the Mekedatu project. Central government has made it very clear that categorically they have said the permission is not required from the neighboring state, that is the appearance states. So in Mekedatu project, state government has to move forward by resubmitting the report. They should not delay.
So
this is the
government move
already
straight way
planned to release the water.
construct
The
this
use of
Mekedatu.
this, all party meetings. They have already planned to release the water.
There is an inflow of water. Since there is heavy rain in Kerala state as well as Coorg region, there is inflow of water, because of which we have to leave water. We can't hold the water. So, time being, the problem is resolved. That's a temporary solution. But long term, state government has to come out with a clear strategy, and we have insisted on the state government on this matter.
Sir, is there any need of dialogue between both the chief minister on Mekedatu issue, or you want that the government should straightway
Mekedatu
go?
issue is concerned, central government has made it very clear. State government has to resubmit its the project report, and they have to move on a fast track. They have to move quickly.